You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast, and welcome to our France Q&A, where we answer the most common questions Americans ask when planning their move to France in 2026. Question 1. How long does it take to move from the U.S. to France? Well, direct containers could take 6 to 12 weeks door to door, or a shared container could take 8 to 16 weeks. An air freight could arrive within days. Question 2. Can I ship my car? Yes, but only when containerized with household goods. SDC arranges all documentation, bracing, and routing in advance to ensure a smooth import. Question 3. Do I need professional packing? Absolutely. French customs requires detailed inventories, and insurers often mandate professional packing in order to get full value coverage. Our packing services meet international standards, which reduces risk and it speeds up clearance. Question 4. What documents do I need for French customs? You're going to need a passport, visa, residence card, proof of French address, a valued inventory in French, and a signed transfer letter. But don't worry, your SDC coordinator provides templates and checks each document before shipment. Question 5. Can I bring wine, pantry items, pets? Some foods and alcohol have restrictions. Pets require EU-compliant paperwork, microchip, and a USDA health certificate. Tell us early, and we'll guide you through each step. Question 6. What if my housing isn't ready yet? We offer climate-controlled storage in both America and France, so your belongings stay safe until move-in day. When it comes to moving to France, planning ahead and partnering with the right team makes all the difference. With SDC International Shipping, you'll have experts managing each step. Get your France moving questions answered directly. Visit our website, sdcinternationalshipping.com, or you could give us a call, 877-339-0267, to speak with a relocation coordinator today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.